Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the GLAM RAIDER mystery box. Okay, so the other day they put out 2 mystery boxes on their website. Just see if they're still available. Okay, at this point they're still available. So this is the medium mystery box. It cost me $100 and the value is meant to be $200 plus. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing that we have in here are some little like powder puffs from the GLAM RAIDER brand. They've like got their own beauty brand now. So some cute little powder puffs. Then we have the GLAM RAIDER Lovely eyeliner. Is this like a liquid one? I can't tell. Let me have a look. Because I'll add the prices up as we go as well. To see like how much actually end up being. Why can't I find this on their site? I can't find it. I have no idea. Maybe it's like a new thing they're bringing out or something. I'm not sure. But anyway, we have the Lovely eyeliner. The next thing we have in here is the P. Louise base in Rumor 02. I actually love this base so much. I'm sure you guys know, and mine is almost out. But I actually did order a new one the other day, so this might go in a giveaway or something. We have a Wet n Wild liquid catsuit metallic lipstick in the shade Live Snow Pink Nick. And it looks like that. It's actually a really cool shade, perfect for Christmas. The next thing we have in here. Oh, okay. So this is from I Heart Revolution. This is the Disney Princess Jelly Eye Shimmer. Does it have a shade? Oh, yeah. Born to Voyage. I'm going to have a look at it online first to see if I like the shade. Because I don't want to open it if I don't. So that I can give it to one of you guys. But it's got this little... Is he a chicken? What is he? I don't know. I feel like I've seen him before, but I don't know where he's from. Okay, so it's kind of like it's like a deep bronzy shade, so I don't think it's one that I'll use, so I don't want to open it. Oh, he's from Moana, I think. Is that how I say it? Am I saying that right? Moana. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so it's like a deep bronze shade. It is cute, but yeah, I just probably won't use it, so I'll probably put that in a giveaway. Okay, what else do we have? This is the Revolution Lip Vinyl Intense Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Ruby, and it's this beautiful like red shade. Once again, like I feel like it's a really good shade for Christmas. We have the Kimchi High Key Gloss in the shade Natural Pink. Oh, okay. That's actually a really pretty shade. I really like that. It's quite like, I feel like it's a Your Lips But Better kind of colour, so that's really cool. We have one of the blushes from, Blush Lights. Oh, I think this is one of the, like the highlighter forms. So this is from Made by Mitchell. This one's in the shade Candy Trip. Let's have a look. Is it like a highlighter? I think it is. Wow, that's really cool. So it's like this super shimmery, like pink shade. Looks like it's kind of like duochrome reflective, kind of. Yeah, liquid highlighter. Okay, that's really cool. I do really quite like Made by Mitchell. I really like his eyeshadow palette, I think. So yeah, it's cool. Okay, we have 2 little single eyeshadows from Wet n Wild. We have one in Moonchild and one in Panther. So Moonchild is like a deep navy blue, like shimmer. And then Panther is like a matte black. Getting onto the last product. Okay, so we have something from, oh, this is a blush slash bronzer from Ofra. How do you have a blush slash bronzer? Like, but anyway, this one's in the shade Format. So it's kind of like a brown shade with like a pinky undertone, but I still don't really know how that would work. And it looks like it's got a bit of shimmer in it too. It's a really pretty shade, but I get confused. And then we have something from XX Revolution. This is the XX exclusive XX Express Shadow Palette. I'll open it up. I do really like XX Revolution. Oh, this is a really cute palette actually. So it's like purples and then it has the gold shade. I think that's really cute. But yeah, so that was everything that came in the mystery box. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Like, I feel like there was quite a few products, and I'm glad that they were from a variety of brands. So I'm gonna add up the total of this box and see how much it is, and then I will let you know. Okay, so the retail value is $213 for this box. So I feel like that's not bad value at all. $100 for an extra $113 of product. Like, I feel like that's not really bad at all. And I feel like I love mystery boxes. Like, I just love trying new things and finding things that I probably otherwise normally wouldn't buy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.